Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be working on making these really fun lanterns. As you can see, there's many different styles that you can choose from. What I chose to do is I created many different options and using a sample book, which might be an idea you might want to do as well. I've showed you in this video 5 different options, but depending on how creative you want to be, you really can create as many different ideas as you can come up with. So I'm really excited to show you this project. So let's get started. This is option 1. You're going to take the top right corner, bring it into the gutter, use your bone folder, and then you're going to fold it over once again into the gutter and use your bone folder. And you do another one exactly the same. Top right corner, down along the gutter, fold it down again, almost like a paper airplane. If you ever made Christmas trees, it's the exact same method. I really use the bone folder to try to get it right into that crease. And then you're going to do the opposite. Now I'm going to do the next 2. Bottom right corner, bring it up this time along the gutter and fold it over again. Again, bottom right corner, up along the gutter, and fold it over. It does get tight, so you really have to use that bone folder to really get it into that gutter. Now what you're going to do, so you're going to keep repeating 2 down, 2 up, 2 down, 2 up. But what you're going to do is you're going to have this little extra flappy piece, and you're going to bring that folded up and then tuck it in. Fold it up and then tuck it in, and do the same thing on these 2. And you're going to repeat that pattern. So 2 up and then 2 down. So again, that's option number 1. Option number 2, you're going to take the page and fold it in half. And then you're going to take the bottom right corner here and form a little triangle. And then take the top right corner and form a triangle. Again, make sure you get right into that gutter. You might want to use that bone folder to help you. And it's as easy as that. So let's go ahead and I'll show you one more time. Fold the page in half. Bottom right to form a little triangle. And then the top right, fold a triangle. And so that's option number 2. Here is option 3. And to do this one, top right corner, you're going to fold down, so it almost looks like a sailboat. Make sure you get right into that gutter. And then you're going to take the bottom corner and form a smaller triangle. Just like that. So it looks quite like a sailboat. I'll show you one more time. Top right corner, down into that gutter. And then bottom to form a triangle. Of course, you could do it the opposite way if you wanted the shape to be the other way around. So that's option 3. Option 4 is going to be a pattern of 1 half fold and then 1 triangle 1/2 fold, 1 triangle. So the way you form the triangle is you're going to take both sides at the same time and come right into the middle. And then for the next one, go ahead and fold your page in half. And you're going to repeat that pattern. I'll show you one more time. Take both corners at the same time, meet in the middle to form a triangle. And then a 1/2 fold. And here is option 5, where you have 3 corners. So the pattern is meet in the middle. Then you're going to do the triangle from the bottom, and then a triangle from the top. Okay. So start with triangle from the bottom. Go ahead and meet. Then a triangle from the top. And a small triangle on the bottom. And then go ahead and form your middle triangle. I find it a little bit easier to do my middle triangle first and then skip two pages and then form your middle triangle again and then go back and do the bottom and top ones. I think it's just easier to kind of get into the sync of things. So if you notice, I like to do it that way. And then I go back and I do my bottom triangle, small triangle, big triangle on the top, small triangle on the bottom. I just think it's a little bit easier to get into the pattern that way. So then I'm back to the middle, then I'm doing my bottom triangle, small one on the top, big triangle on my top, and like so. And it gives you these beautiful 3 points.